Okay guys, so we're going to end with the 2026 vision. Ano yun para sa'yo pare? Siguro yung 2026 isang vision na para sa'yo ma-achieve mo this year. Ganon, ano yung sinet mo sa utak mo, ganon. Let's hear it.
So for me, di ako nagmamadali. Pero kanina, di ba nasabi ko about yung sa dropshipping? Ang transshipping about sa mga animals and other. Kung hindi man yon, siguro more on manufacturing pellets na specific dun sa mga isda
Para
na
sa mga
inaalagaan
isda
mo. Parang magkakaroon ka na sarili mong brand. Ganun siguro. This year yun.
Yeah, this year.
Masyadong maraming pwedeng magawa sa 12 months.
Yeah.
Diba? So then, di natin alam, di ba?
Yeah, we never know, man.
How about you, brother?
Yeah. I think it's a simple but it's a hard thing to do.
Yeah.
But my vision for this year is to hit it. Ang hirap kasing ang hirap niyang banggitin kapag merong camera, merong tropa nakikinig, but in my heart, with the bottom of my heart, I want to reach 100k subscribers sa YouTube. Pero yeah, it's a hard thing to do, pero tingnan natin. 2026 is sabi nga ni Neil, 12 months. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin doon, and we never know if we never try. So I'm gonna give it a shot into my main channel. Yun guys, I think that's just it. So yung pagkasabi ko na yun, yeah, magiging accountable ako doon, and I will try my best to reach that. And if ever, who knows, man. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Peace out.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Wow.
Solid.
Next time ulit.
Next time ulit.
Yeah, pare.
Wow.